welcome back to my channel. It's Rudie Rosa, and today I'm here with an Ugg unboxing. So if this is the type of video you're interested in, please keep on watching and let's get in. So finally I have got my hands on the infamous Ugg Tazz platform shoe slippers. I wanted to show you guys this unboxing just because I feel like there's not enough reviews about the Uggs around, and if you're like me, I want you to know how it fits, how you could style them, and etc. I've been wanting these Uggs since last year. I couldn't find them anywhere. They just sold out in the stores, online. The only place I could find it was resellers, but I didn't really want to pay the resale price. So they came back in stock earlier this month, the beginning of February, and I finally decided to buy it. So I was just browsing one day and I saw that they was online, and I realized that they had the original colors back in stock as well as some new colors, and I actually thought it was a joke. So I kept on refreshing the page, and I realized like, okay, they're actually there. So I decided to get mine from Office. So yeah, Office is just a UK shop. You can go in store and order online, and this is just where I chose to purchase mine. Well, the original price for Ugg Tazz is £105. If you wanted to go to a reseller, it could go up to 120 plus. So yeah, just make sure it's authenticated, and yeah. So here it is. So it just comes in the ordinary Ugg box. But I always get my Uggs in a size 7. I always size up because in my Ugg boots, they run quite small. So I am a size 6, but I always up the size, one shoe size, because Uggs don't make half sizes in boots and in the Tazz, only in the trainers, which I've realized. So I got mine in a size 7, and I got mine in the color chestnut, and it just gives it away there. So I've actually worn mine already because I needed a feel of the shoe, and I've been waiting for so long, so why not? And as always, when it's official, it comes with an Ugg leaflet and warranty. So here they are, the Ugg Tazz in chestnut. This is the platform slipper with the red seam detailing, which is quite cool and edgy. I picked this color because it is the iconic colorway, and this is actually my favorite colorway in the Tazz. And also when you're wearing it in winter and autumn, it just goes with the vibes, the colorway scheme for, you know, for autumn, winter. It literally goes with anything. You can dress it up in like lounge wear, chill wear. You can even dress them up with jeans, so you can create quite a bit of different styles with just wearing these shoes. I know they look quite big, they're not actually this long. So you have the sheep fur lining in there, which makes the shoe so much more comfortable and snug. You have the Ugg logo embroidered in the shoe just there, and in the back it's literally like, excuse the mud, but yeah, in the back it's like a slip-on. The heel doesn't actually go all the way in, it's kind of like half in, half out. So what I've realized is when you're walking in the Tazzes, which I thought it was only me, but I did go back into the store and ask if I needed to size down, but because it's the back of the heel doesn't go all the way up, you do get the feeling like you're actually wearing a slider. So it is like a flip-flop effect. So even though your foot is in there, it does feel like it's coming off. Overall, for the comfort, I give it a 10 out of 10. The only thing is sometimes they can feel a little bit heavy, so I don't recommend these on long walks. But yeah, so the actual material of the Tazz is suede, so you do have to be careful when wearing them in the rain. I suggest you don't, but Ugg does also supply like a shoe protector spray for the shoe and the brush. And for my short girlies, this will elevate your height by a lot and make you look just that much taller. And just at the bottom of the shoe, it has the whole Ugg detailing there. The grip isn't really that great. I give the grip about a 5 out of 10. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend wearing it in snow or like I said, in the rain. The colorways I know they come in is obviously chestnut. They have a black with the white seam and trim around the shoe. There's a new color, it's like a off gray. There's also a beautiful chocolate color, which I do want next. There's like a cream color, it's called Sand. It's just a little bit lighter than the chestnut. I've also seen it in like an olive color. I think it's like an exclusive color. Let me know what you guys think of the Ugg Tazzes. Let me know if you have them already, if you purchase any more, or even let me know if you're looking into making a purchase. Just bear in mind that once they come in stock, they go very quick, which I've realized they've sold out a lot of places right now, and currently you can only really get them from resellers. But if you're lucky, depending on whereabouts you are in the world, I'm sure that you'll be able to find your size somewhere. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.